Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. If last lesson was about how to blend text in posters in Canva, now is how to blend text in image in Canva. So now let's just select, maybe add, create a new blank page here. So now we created a new blank page here at Canva. Just create a blank page. Then after creating a blank page, here we can just put elements or let's say background, let's say the city of Tokyo. So here we just put the background here, then afterward we can add a text. So say Tokyo, then make it bigger, put text bigger here, maybe change it to white or something. There we go. So it's Tokyo. So how do we blend this text into the image? It's very simple. We just press this transparency thing and just put it there. We can see that it easily blends with the image itself. So we can adjust the transparency of the image from this to maybe this. Tokyo. So maybe change it to 300. There we go. Make it better. Then the transparency maybe more so that it can be more seen, I think. So it will look like somewhere like that. So as we can see, the text is already blended into the image. It's that pretty simple, and it will look like something like this. So that's how it looks like when we blend the text into image. So once again, that's how simple it is to blend a text into any image in Canva. So once again, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button, and thank you for watching with us. For more tips and tricks, just be subscribed to the channel and we'll give you more videos.